Welcome to Foxtecc. If you need to compress a PDF on your iPhone, there are a few different ways to do it. Whether you want to reduce the file size using built-in tools, an app, or an online service, I'll walk you through each method so you can choose what works best for you. The easiest way to compress a PDF is by using the Files app, which comes pre-installed on every iPhone. Open Files. Locate the PDF you want to compress, long press it, and select Compress. This will create a smaller zip file containing the PDF. Keep in mind that this won't drastically reduce the file size. It depends on how large the original PDF was. But if you just need a slightly smaller file for easier sharing, this method is quick and doesn't require any extra apps. If you need more control over compression settings, you'll need to use a third-party app. The App Store has several options like PDF Compressor and Adobe Acrobat that can shrink PDF sizes more effectively. These apps often let you choose how much you want to compress the file, which is useful if you need to reduce the size significantly while keeping the quality readable. However, if you don't compress PDFs often, downloading an app just for this might not be necessary. Another great option is using an online PDF compressor. Websites like Small PDF or I Love PDF let you upload a file and compress it directly in Safari. No apps required. Just go to the site, select your PDF, and follow the instructions to get a smaller version. This is a great alternative if you don't want to install extra apps and just need a one-time solution. That's how you can compress PDFs on an iPhone using built-in tools, apps, or online services. Let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.